Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your Thinkorswim account. First, you'll need to decide on your preferred funding method. The most common ways include electronic transfers, also known as ACH, wire transfers, and mailing a physical check. Each method has different processing times and requirements, so choosing the right one depends on your urgency and convenience. We'll cover each in detail. Electronic funds transfers, or ETC, are a popular and straightforward way to add money. You'll first link your bank account to your Thinkorswim account through the platform's funding section. Once linked, you can easily initiate a transfer, specifying the amount you wish to deposit. These transfers are usually free and funds typically become available for trading within 3 to 5 business days after initiation. For quicker access to your funds, consider a wire transfer. Wires are generally processed much faster than ACH, often within 1 business day. You'll need specific wiring instructions, including routing and account numbers, which are available on the Thinkorswim website. Alternatively, you can mail a personal check or cashier's check. Remember to write your account number clearly on the check for proper processing. Before finalizing any deposit, always double-check all the details, especially account and routing numbers, to avoid delays. Be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements that might apply to your account type. If you have any questions, the Thinkorswim support team is always there to help. Also, for a fantastic resource on personal finance, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.